All right, in this one I'm just given information that I need to draw out myself. So we've got an acute triangle EFG. Side E is 5, side F is 6, and the angle in between those is going to be 63 degrees. So let's just make an acute triangle. So an acute triangle, all the angles are going to be less than 90. And we know that we want to have the sides be different lengths. So I want to try and draw it with different length sides. So I'll do something like this. All right, so now I'm going to label my sides my angles E, F, and G. Across from E is where my 5 is. Across from F is where my 6 is. Angle G is 63 degrees. And it asked me to solve each triangle, so I want to know all the missing pieces. Well, I might be tempted at first to use sine rule, but I don't know this angle across from the 5. I don't know the angle across from the 6, so I can't use sine rule. So I'm going to use cosine rule to find this side here. So finding this side, that's going to be my x squared. 5 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 5 times 6 cosine of 63. So I can use this in my calculator. And then cosine 63. So that is 33, square root that. And I get about 5.81. So that was about 33. So x is about 5.81. So now I know all three sides. Now I can use sine rule to help me find my angles. So this matches with the 63. I can pick either one. I'm going to go with E. So E matches with the 5. Okay. So now I can say sine E over 5 equals sine 63 over my x value. I'm writing the dot, 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 showing I'm using everything. Sine E, I'm going to multiply the 5 to the other side. And put that in my calculator. Times 5, divide by that whole number. And I get my decimal. And then E, of course, will be sine inverse of that. And we get about 50 degrees. And then, of course, my last angle that I'm missing is F, and I can just do 180 minus 50 minus 63 to give me angle F, which will be 67 degrees. All right. So that triangle is now fully solved. I know all the angles and all the sides. I'm going to leave you to try this one. It looks like you have all three sides, so you're missing the 3 angles. You can go online to check your solutions and, of course, ask me if you have questions.